Hello people, welcome back to Tom's Food Reviews. I appreciate you all for being here and watching this video. That was loud. I'm back with another food review. Obviously, it is not a fast food review. It is another local restaurant. I'm doing Pizza King once again. This time it is a chicken tender sub, one of my favorites at their restaurant. I'm so hungry, so this is probably going to get a even higher score than it probably should. Even though right off the bat, I mean, it deserves something pretty high, because I know I love this this sub. I get it in honey mustard because I just love honey mustard. So yeah, anyway, this is the sub. Looks delicious. Let's take a bite. Give her a score. You guys ready? All right. Oh my God. I'm sure it's on my face, but I don't care. Oh, that is delicious. If you've never had one of these, I recommend it big time. So much flavor. Yeah, honey mustard is fantastic. It's chicken tenders dipped in honey mustard, lettuce, tomato, onion, oil, cheese on a roll. Man, that's good. Wow. Quick review. Man, that's good. Also, this is my first I'll say sub review, I guess. It's chicken tender, chicken finger sub. That was fantastic. One more bite and I gotta score. I'm in heaven. My gosh. That is fantastic. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Okay, I'm ready. I think I got a score. It's between two. I just recently started getting these two. Probably within the last month or two. It was my first time having one, and I am so surprised that I've never even wanted or to try this before, because it's so good. 9.1. That's my high score for anything so far. Like, I would probably travel 100 miles or 200, maybe even 5,000 miles for this thing. I don't know if it's just me, but holy moly, this thing is... I'm going to save that, and I'm going to eat it nice and slow, not on camera, because, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. And if you've had that before and you disagree with me, I'm sorry. It's my opinion, so you can make your own videos. But that is whew, that is fantastic. Thank you, Pizza King. Keep up the good work. Alrighty, so that's the review for this. I mean, that, like I said, that's fairly quick. Yeah, so that was the chicken tender or chicken finger sub from Pizza King. It was dipped in honey mustard. Here in Wellsville. Delicious stuff. So if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me gain subscribers, obviously. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I'm going to anyway. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment if you want. Tell me if you agree with me, if you've had this before. If not, or you can just leave a comment and tell me that you are a beautiful person. I don't know. I don't know why that's the first thing that popped in my head, but it did. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know why I'm dragging this on longer than I need to, because I don't need to drag this on any longer, and I'm still doing it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next video. If not, excuse me, oh well, your loss. See ya.